Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to design our header in the Wix Harmony Editor. Let's get started. So first, we're going to select our header, and options will appear here on the action bar above. Click on the paintbrush button here, which is also called the All Designs option. This little window will appear on the upper right side of our screen, and here we can tweak our headers, borders, corners, shadow, and spacing. So for borders, this is if in case you'd like your border to be visible, so you can just simply select the type of line you'd like to have here and adjust its width in pixels. You can also select a color and it'll be visible just like that. In my case, I don't want to put this on, so I'm just gonna adjust it back. Now for corners, this is if you want to smooth out the edges or make the edges of your header round. So just like that, for example. Now for shadows, simply toggle this button on to add a shadow effect to your header. I kind of like it, so I think I'm going to go ahead and keep that. And then we have the spacing, also called padding. So you can simply adjust the slider over here to adjust your header's padding. So go ahead and design your header however you want to by tweaking those settings according to your preferences. And as you work on your site, it'll automatically be saved as well. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.